Chanel here, and today I have a DIY art project for your wall. Now, I do like art. Remember, I told you in several videos I love to do artwork, and I have been trying my hand at acrylic pour. And if you check the description box, I will leave a link to Treshaja, who does this very often on her channel, and I will leave a link with her channel listed below. And she does excellent, beautiful pieces of the acrylic pour art on her channel, and you can check that out again in the description box. Normally you would use a canvas, but on this particular project I'm just going to use a piece of cardboard because it is going inside of another frame, and I'm just doing that to show you how I created it, because if you watch till the end of the video you'll see the original pieces that I made, but I didn't get to film them, so I just refilmed it on a smaller scale just to show you as I do the entire process. I am using just some, as you've seen, bottled old bottles from water, and I just cut them off and poured in the Floetrol, which helps the paint to thin it out somewhat instead of using water. You can use water. Out Tresha's video, and she can give you a little bit more information than what I may be giving, but the process is pretty much the same. You can use Floetrol, and at the end you can seal it over the top if you would like with a clear coat. So again, here I'm just using this cardboard, and I'm going to put each color into different bottles and mix them up really well. Now on this particular portion, you're just going to lay your base coat down. If you want to see some of this that peeks through all of the other different colors that is in the artwork, and spread it throughout normally it would be a canvas board, but here again I'm showing it on a smaller scale, so it's actually a gift box. And as you continue to see, I will just start to pour each color, mixing them in, and then you'll see how the process works even better. Now, what I love about this particular project and doing this acrylic pour is because you can customize your artwork just for you in your particular space. So for me, I normally do not find exactly what I want in a store. One of my mottos, if you go and check out my About Me, is if I can't find it, I'll design it and create it myself. And that's normally what I'll end up doing with a lot of the pieces that I add to my wall decor. And also, I'm normally not really big on a lot of things on the walls. So I guess you can almost say I am pretty much a picky person when it comes to what I put on the walls. So I wanted sort of a modern touch, but in classic Chanel style. You will see I do add my traditional touches with it as well. So I hope you enjoy the video. Continue to watch both looks. This finished piece that I'll add over the fireplace, which actually is not going to stay there. I'm just showing you how I created it and how you could do something like this. But the other three pieces that I show on the other big wall that was blank, those are the pieces that are staying. So I hope you enjoy the video. Like, comment, share, and definitely hit that subscribe button. And this has been Chanel, and don't forget to check that description box as well for the link to Treshaja's channel. And I'll see you all in the next one. Now, what I do like as well, I know I'm talking again, as you can see with the video, is how fluidly the paint colors just start to meld all together and create all this different movement in your piece, and how the colors again just blend in. And as you can see, I use green, I use blue, a pewter color, and a little cream, and I just really like the outcome of the entire piece. And let me know again what you think by leaving me a comment, and if you would try this project maybe for your home or for someone else. And also, Instead of buying a whole new frame, if you want to put it behind glass, you can just use a old frame that perhaps may have matting already in it and place you something like this in there as well. Low cost artwork on a dime.